down to our cabin.
So here's our room, 11717. We're at the back of the ship. We've never done this before, but everything's worth a try. Let's go and have a look what this one looks like. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it's small, but it's cute, I think. Firstly, let's go have a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is small, but it's nice, and you've got glass, not that horrible shower curtain. There's a hair and body wash dispenser over there, and you've got some hooks to hang a towel or some clothes, I guess. Your toilet, your sink, and just a bit of space to put all your belongings. Some shelves over there. So we've got some cupboards. Good old tiny safe that not much fits in.
Laptop will fit in there.
No, it won't. It won't. Bit of space for hanging. A couple of drawers down there. A little desk. Out store. Lots of PowerPoints here, but what are they? They're American, aren't they? Some USBs and the European one. Oh, that's nice. Kettle. Haven't seen that for a while. So a kettle, a tea, and of course you've got your television. More drawers here. So that's the fridge there. There's nothing in here. And this drawer's got some tissues and a hairdryer. And then you've got a couple of drawers here as well. Breakfast menu. And some more drawers. That's our little bed. We've got our little happy Valentine's Day message there. Nice bed. And this is something we haven't seen yet. This is the first time for us. This is actually a virtual balcony. As we move through the ocean, we will be able to see what's happening outside through this, but you can switch it off, and you can also draw the curtains if the light bothers you. So we're discovering things as we go. I just sat down to have a rest and I realised you've got more cupboard space here. Quite big too. So you've got two of those, and then there's some little shelves just at the bottom here. And just for the record, there is room under the bed as well to pop your suitcase in.
And you've got another American PowerPoint on one side of the bed, above the bedside table. And you've got the main light switch above the PowerPoint. And you've got the little light switch, lamp switch above that. Same as on this side. You don't have the PowerPoint, but you've got a lamp, a telephone, and a switch to turn this little lamp on.
So it is small, but it fits us comfortably, and we are on a budget these days. So trying not to do the big spending anymore. And it'll do us fine because we spend most of our time outside anyway. So this is our little room at the back of the ship. Can't wait to show you the rest of the ship.